Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a miniature ocean in a bottle. This project is quick, easy, fun and cheap to make. This is how your finished piece should look like. So let's get started. These are what you're going to need for the project: a glass bottle, some oil, baby oil or cooking oil will do, some blue food dye and some water. We're going to start by pouring in some water. Only fill up to 1/3 of your bottle. Next, add in a few drops of your blue food dye. Now you're going to fill the rest of your bottle with some oil. Make sure your cork or your lid is secure. And there you go, we're done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Have fun creating your piece. Tag me at Terrarium Crafts on Instagram. I'd love to see your work. If you have any questions, do comment them down below and please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to give your bottle a good shake so that all the bubbles come up. Bye guys, see you in the next tutorial.